In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Upwork support system effectively so you can get the help you need swiftly and efficiently. Whether you're a freelancer seeking clarification on your account questions or a client needing assistance with a project, understanding how to use the help resources available on Upwork is crucial for a smooth experience. Let's begin by directing our attention to the Upwork website. Simply open a web browser and type in Upwork to land on the page. Make sure you're logged into your account to have full access to all available support resources. Right off the bat, the Upwork homepage greets you with its dynamic interface designed to connect talent with businesses seamlessly. But today, our focus is on finding the help you need. Once you're on the homepage, shift your gaze towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should notice a small question mark icon that represents the Help Center. It's the gateway to all the assistance you might require on Upwork. Clicking on this icon will direct you to the Help Center, outlining several options tailored to address various concerns, ranging from account issues to service support. This step is crucial because the Help Center is structured to provide immediate solutions to common questions through its comprehensive FAQ and guide sections. It's designed to empower you with the information you need so you might not even need to contact live support. As you scroll through the Help Center, you might notice an option labeled Contact Support. This feature is invaluable when you need assistance beyond what's available in the FAQs. Clicking it will open up additional avenues for you to connect with customer support, including email or live chat options, depending on the nature of your inquiry. It's worth mentioning that contacting support directly might sometimes isolate you from broader solutions found in the help articles, so it's always good to search through the available content first. You've now learned the streamlined way to navigate the Upwork support resources. By leveraging the Help Center, you're essentially gaining the ability to troubleshoot many issues independently and efficiently. This approach not only saves you time, but helps you understand the platform more comprehensively. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate Upwork support with confidence, ensuring you get back to your projects with minimal downtime. Harness these tools whenever you're faced with hurdles on Upwork. The goal is to empower yourself by utilizing the resources at your disposal, both efficiently and effectively. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide to finding the help you need on Upwork. Thanks for joining me today, and happy freelancing.